In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Photos to external storage if you want to back up your photo library onto an external hard drive or flash drive. The main thing to know is that Google Photos does not offer a direct cloud to drive transfer. Instead, you'll first request a copy of your library through Google Takeout, download it to your computer, and then move it to your external storage device. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Google Takeout page. Once you're there, look near the top of the list and click Deselect All. This clears the other Google services so you can focus only on the photos you actually want to export. Next, scroll down until you find Google Photos and check that box. If you don't want everything, you can click All Photo Albums Included and remove specific years or albums before continuing. That optional filter can save time and storage space if you only need part of your library. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. This takes you to the export settings where you'll choose how Google prepares your download. For the destination, select Send Download Link via email. For frequency, choose Export Once. Since this is a one-time transfer to external storage, that's the most practical option. Now move to the file type and size settings. Keep the file type as .zip. Then change the archive size from 2 GB to 50 GB. This helps reduce the number of separate zip files Google creates, which can make the download and transfer process much easier to manage. Once those settings are in place, click Create Export. At this point, Google will start compiling your photos. Depending on how large your library is, this may take a few hours or even a few days, so be patient and watch for the email with your download link. When the email arrives, open it and click Download Your Files. Save the zip archives to your computer in a location you can easily find later, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated backup folder. Now connect your external hard drive or flash drive to your computer using a USB port. Once your drive appears on the computer, extract the downloaded zip files, then transfer the extracted photo files onto the external drive. That's it. By exporting through Google Takeout, downloading the archives, and moving the extracted files to your drive, you can create an offline backup of your Google Photos library and keep your memories stored safely on external